drive here. Car's driving straight. Of course, you got to fight it a little bit, especially on this road being so bumpy. Hitting on the brakes kind of hard there. Brakes feel good. A little mushy at first, but once they bite, they do a good job. Now that we're on the main road, it does seem like it wants to pull to the right just a little bit here. Other than that, no complaints really with the drivability. Very, very nice. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at that wheel, couple chips here and there. Overall though, in great condition. Got the good years. Looking at that paint, beautiful dark blue metallic paint, looks awesome. You have a couple chips here. That looks good. Lower side's looking nice. Got a chip right there. There is a gap on that plastic, maybe it either broke off or the alignment's off just a little bit. Looking at the edges in here, that looks great. That looks nice, just scanning through all of that. Looks really good. From what I can tell, the roof looks really nice. Side mirror's clean. Upper side looks really good. Same with the lower. That looks good. Beautiful paint job. If you get in the absolute perfect lighting, you'll see some very minor imperfections here and there. Overall in great condition though. Got a little chip there, here on that wheel. Overall in great condition as well. That lens looks really good. Same with that one. That grill, nice and clean. Gonna have a few little rock impacts and a few chips. Got a larger chip right there. Touch-up spot here. Scan through the hood. See a little bit darker spot right there that I'm kind of circling around. Once again, we are in kind of an operating room, bright lights. So that looks good. The vents look really nice. Looking on that lower section, that light's clean. Typical imperfections on the chrome. And then getting underneath the car. Kind of scanning through all of that. Looks good. That looks nice. Scanning on the fender. You have little rock impacts and chips there. You have one right there. Got a little spot here. That wheel looks good. Here on this side mirror, nice and clean. Couple touch-up spots there. The rest of that looks good. Here on the door edge, you have a chip, and then if you look really close, there's a crack there. A couple more small chips. All of that looks nice. I don't see any dents or dings. Get down there, you're gonna see some flaws, little rust spots and things like that. And if we get really close here at that right angle, see those bubbles popping up in that little section. Kind of like the only area I'm seeing those bubbles. That looks good. Wheels nice and clean. You do have some cracks right here. And then looking at the deck lid, that looks good. See a little chip there. Get up close, you're going to see a little rust spot there and some chips. Of course, getting down low. That looks really nice. Alright, checking out the interior. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful seats. They did a really good job on this restoration. Nice and clean. Looking at the door jamb here. Looks good. Upper section looks amazing. Windows roll up and down perfect. Very, very easy. Looking at that trim. That looks good. Looking at the floor mats. That looks good. Carpets underneath. From what I can tell there, they look awesome. That's really good looking. Seats are perfect. I don't have any complaints. All of this looks really, really good. Here on the upper side of the dash, you're going to see a little separation right here where it curls in to the edge right there. It's kind of popping out. I'm sure that's an easy fix. Gauges, those look good. That looks good. Honestly, not much to pick apart in here. Right, scanning through this panel, upper section looks perfect. Window rolls up and down, amazing. A couple little scuffs here. A few scuffs on that lower side. Otherwise, that's in great condition. Looking at that trim, looks really good. Nice and clean. These seats are amazing. Very, very nice. Here on the floor mat, once again, that looks perfect. Fit and finish of all of this looks amazing. Beautiful, beautiful car. Upper side of the dash, you're going to see some little separation there. See it kind of popping out. Other than that, all of this just looks really, really good. Really no complaints back here. All looks really nice. Then here in the trunk, you got your liner and a spare tire. Just kind of scanning through those jams. Feel free to pause it at any time if you need to focus on one spot longer. Alright, checking out the engine bay. We're just going to scan through this. Of course, we have a lot of photos as well. Looks really good. Now here on the underhood liner, you're going to see the typical age and imperfections, but it is holding up well. And this will all be included as well. We'll have photos of this on the website. And this is really, really cool.